Jump.
Thank you. Well, not so much. Jump. I will see you Saturday. Yay! Great.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, jump.
You're supposed to go after 3. 1, 2, 3, jump.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, jump.
The rest of the kids are going to be way ahead of you.
Can you count in Spanish and then go?
One, uno, dos, cinco, seis, cuatro, cinco, seis, cuatro, cinco, seis.
Jump.
Can you count in Bengali? Da, ak, dui, teen, char. Can you do it? Do it with me?
L.
Dui,
Three,
teen,
king,
char,
toy,
punch,
ta,
shak,
ta,
art,
at,
noi,
navi,
doge.
oh.
I think I skipped 6. We went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah.
Up, warm up.
You gonna warm up? Can you touch your toes? Touch your toes and stretch. Drop your head. Oh, do you roll down? Hundreds. Pelvic lifts. One leg.
Single leg.
Can you do pelvic lift? Yeah. Good job.
Those are called rollovers.
Scissors earlier.
Do your scissors. Good job. Stretch it. Can you kiss your toes? Good job. You're getting close.
Your ankle.
My ankle.
Where's your ankle? Right there.
Kiss your knees. There you go.
Your roll-up's getting better.
How you going?
Ask her.
Where are you going?
I'm actually going to ballet studio.
Yeah.
No.